Hello everyone, I welcome you all in the today Healthy Heart Talk. I am Dr. Praveen Gupta from Happy Family Hospital, Karnal. The heart disease risk can be easily remembered by the ABCs. A stands for the age. Men more than 45 years of age or females more than 55 years of age are at risk of heart disease. B stands for blood pressure. BP more than 140/90 is a risk. C stands for your cholesterol. Bad cholesterol, that is LDL, more than 100 mg per deciliter is a risk factor. C also stands for cigarette smoking. D stands for diabetes. Uncontrolled diabetes, fasting more than 125, HbA1c more than 6.5% is a risk factor. E stands for exercise. Lack of exercise is an important risk factor. F stands for the food, the kind of food which we eat. So these ABCDEF of heart disease risk, if you understand this, you will be very easily remembering the risk factors of heart disease and how to control them. I have told you the risk factors for heart disease, and these risk factors are very much modifiable, and heart disease is largely preventable if you know your risk factors. You don't have to do major changes in your lifestyle, only small little things can help. I'll tell you, first of all, make a daily strategy. Make a daily strategy which should include exercise at least. The single most important thing which you can do to yourself is, first of all, identify the single most thing that inflames you. If you smoke, stop. If you are overburdened, decrease the burden, live a stress-free life. And if you are sedentary, move, start walking. So if you have made a daily strategy that incorporates the risk factor exclusion, then it will be a very good thing to prevent the heart disease. Here are 7 healthy habits that can help save your heart from a heart attack or decrease the risk of paralysis. First of all, eat healthy. Eat a heart-friendly diet, that is, take plenty of whole grains, fruits and vegetables. Limit your salt, limit your added sugars, limit the saturated fats. Second thing is to increase the activity. Include 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise like brisk walking in your schedule per week. Third thing, maintain your BP. Keep the numbers less than 140/90 mmHg. Control your sugars. Keep the sugars fasting below 100. Control your cholesterol. Bad cholesterol less than 70 or 100 out of total cholesterol, less than 200. Stop smoking. Live smoke free. If you smoke, please quit. Keep a balanced weight. Maintain the BMI less than 25. So these are the 7 steps towards a healthier heart.